Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of AI art generation with a special model called Flux Sketches Islora. This model, created by the user Stranger Zoning on Hugging Face, is a text-to-image diffusion model that can turn your wildest imagination into stunning digital art. Let's explore how it works and what makes it so unique. First things first, what is a text-to-image diffusion model? Well, it's a type of AI that can create images based on text descriptions. You give it a prompt, and it generates an image that matches that description. It's like having a digital artist that can paint anything you can think of. This particular model, Flux Sketches Islora, has been trained on a dataset of 30 high-resolution images, all with a 14-bit resolution. That means it's learned from really detailed and vibrant images, which helps it create stunning and realistic art. One of the cool things about this model is its trigger word, sketch-sized. When you use this word in your text prompt, it tells the model to generate images with a specific style. The best dimensions for these images are 1280 x 832, which gives you a 3:2 aspect ratio. But if you prefer a square image, it also works well with 1024 x 1024. To get the best results, the model recommends using 30-35 inference steps. This means the AI will go through 30-35 iterations to refine the image, making it more detailed and polished. Under the hood, the model uses some technical settings like the AdamW optimizer and a constant learning rate scheduler. Don't worry if that sounds technical. What you need to know is that these settings help the model learn and generate images more effectively. Ready to try it out? Here's a simple Python script to get you started. First, you'll need to install the necessary libraries and import the diffusion pipeline. Then, load the base model and model weights load model and the LoRa weights. Finally, move the model to your GPU for faster processing. This model is part of the Sketchfab collection, which focuses on artistic and cultural themes. It's also used into interactive spaces on Hugging Face, where you can see it in action and even try it out yourself. Let's take a look at some examples of what this model can create. From a detailed image of WALL-E to a festive Christmas tree, a realistic portrait of Elon Musk, and even Iron Man's helmet, the possibilities are endless. Each image is a unique piece of art generated from a text prompt. So, what do you think? Are you ready to try out Flux Sketches Islora and see what amazing images you can create? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI art tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching and happy creating!